Today, we are going to see 4 insanely delicious recipes from Cooking Con Claudia. From rich and hearty Carne Guisada-style ground beef and potatoes to sizzling restaurant-style chicken fajitas, juicy garlic herb turkey, and ultra-cheesy beefy nachos loaded with flavor, every single recipe looks straight-up mouth-watering and impossible to resist.
Ciao, y'all. This Carne Asada-style ground beef and potatoes is straight-up insane. Like, no joke, this might be the most fire, comfort-packed skillet meal you'll ever make. Start with 1 tablespoon oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Toss in 1 small diced onion, 3 green peppers, Anaheim, and 1 jalapeno. Sauté for 3 minutes. Add 3 Roma tomatoes, cook 1 minute, then mix in 3 minced garlic cloves and cook 30 seconds. Now add 2 pounds ground beef. Season it with 4 teaspoons chili powder or paprika, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon ancho powder, 2 teaspoons ground cumin, 2 teaspoons oregano, and salt to taste. Break it up and cook for 4 minutes. Add 4 medium diced potatoes, mix, and cook another 5 minutes. Lower heat to medium. In a bowl, mix 2 cups broth or water with 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour and 4 teaspoons beef bouillon until smooth. Pour it in, mix, and adjust salt if needed. Cover and cook 12 to 15 minutes until potatoes are soft. Finish with chopped cilantro if you want. Serve it up with beans and warm flour tortillas. This thing is crazy good. This right here is hands down the most fire restaurant-style chicken fajitas you'll ever make at home. No joke, it's juicy, smoky, and straight up addictive. First, make your marinade. Mix garlic, oil, lime juice, brown sugar, and spices. Taste it, adjust if needed, then toss in the chicken and coat it real good. Cover and let it marinate for about 20 minutes. Next, mix cornstarch into the chicken broth and add about 7 splashes of Maggi. Stir and set aside. Heat a pan on medium-high, add a little oil, then throw in your sliced bell peppers and onion. Sauté for about 5 minutes till they're soft, then take them out. Now cook the chicken in batches, single layer, about 5 minutes each batch till fully cooked. Once all the chicken's done, add it back to the pan with the veggies. Pour in that chicken broth mix, stir everything together, and let it come together. Boom, your sizzling, juicy fajitas are ready.
These cheesy, beefy nachos are straight up insane, like next-level comfort food that hits every single time. Super loaded, super cheesy, and crazy easy. Start with a pan on medium-high heat, add a little oil, then toss in half an onion and 1 tomato. Cook for a couple minutes, then add 2 pounds of ground beef. Season it with 1½ teaspoons garlic salt, 1 teaspoon onion powder, ground cumin, chili powder, paprika, oregano, black pepper, half a teaspoon cayenne pepper, and salt. Break it down and cook for about 7 minutes. Taste it, adjust salt if needed, then push the meat aside, let the grease pool, and mix in 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour. Add a 1/4 cup water, mix, cook a couple minutes, done. Now the cheese sauce. Melt 3 tablespoons butter in a saucepan, whisk in 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons salt, black pepper, and paprika. Cook 2 minutes, add 3 tablespoons jalapenos, then slowly whisk in 1 can evaporated milk, then half a cup milk. Let it thicken, then lower heat and add 8 ounces grated medium cheddar cheese, half at a time until melted. Layer chips, nacho cheese, your taco meat, more chips, more cheese, more meat. Top with lettuce, sour cream, pico de gallo, and jalapenos. Boom. Cheesy, beefy, loaded nachos that go crazy every single bite.
This garlic herb turkey is straight up insane. Juicy, buttery, packed with flavor all the way through. This ain't your dry holiday bird. This one's elite. Start with a 14-pound fully thawed turkey. Pat it dry, remove neck and giblets, mix salt, ½ teaspoon per pound, so 7 teaspoons, black pepper, poultry seasoning, and garlic powder. Season everywhere, under the skin, inside the cavity, all over. Let it dry brine in the fridge for 24 hours. Preheat oven to 450 degrees. Mix 3 sticks unsalted butter, room temp, with minced garlic, fresh sage, rosemary, and thyme. No extra salt. Set up a roasting pan with celery, onion, garlic, herbs, plus the neck and giblets. Bring turkey to room temp, pat dry again, then rub that butter under the skin and all over the outside. Stuff with a whole onion, 2 garlic heads, 1 lime, and herbs. Add 1 cup chicken broth to the pan. Roast at 450 degrees for 25 minutes. Then drop to 325 degrees and cook till internal temp hits 163 degrees, basting every 45 minutes. Takes about 3 hours. Let it rest 20 to 30 minutes, then carve. Super juicy, crazy flavorful, this turkey goes hard.